to my YouTube channel. My whole face was red, but we'll see how good the coverage is. But I already know it's really good, because when I tried it at the store, it was perfect. Oh yeah, guys, you see that? But look guys, it was so red and now it's like gone. It dries really quickly and gives you a matte finish. I need to moisturize better before using this foundation. But for now, perfect. So please, 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 hopefully do my eyes. Because last video I didn't include how to do my eye makeup. So for my eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Remastered RoseGold palette. They look so pretty. Like these colors. Oh, these are the colors. And look guys how pigmented those colors are. They're like perfect. Brown. I think it's a really, really good liner. It's called, yeah, Eyeliner Brown, L'Oreal. Because I don't know, lately I don't really like a black eyeliner. I think brown looks more natural, and I'm also gonna wear like really intense lashes. Oh guys, you're gonna love my lashes. They're like so nice. Oh my god. Please help me. Yay! First time doing liner on camera, and this eye turned out perfect. So let's see how the other eye turns out. Please, please, please. But yeah, like I think with liner it's really important how you guys know what I mean, how this is. Like the L'Oreal is really good. Also, this one I love, it's Kat Von D. It's black though, but this is like the perfect liner as well for black eyeliner. It's called eyeliner. It's called it's a Kat Von D tattoo liner. Yeah, quite similar. Do you guys think? They're so intense. This is what I really like about this palette. It's like boom. You have to be careful not to put too much product. So if you're a beginner, I would just like start with a little bit of product on your brush so you don't ruin your whole makeup look. To get that extra wow, I'm gonna use the perfect lashes, guys. Selfie lashes. Lashes. Unfortunately, I think only in Germany, but you guys can ask her. Maybe she ships worldwide, I don't know. If she's nice, then she might. Lashes and the fake lashes go into each other so it looks smoother. It's called the blush in number 100 peach. bubbly again on my nose. I think this looks really nice too. Coming to the lips, for them to look bigger and for them to pop out a little bit more, I'm always lining them a little bit with contour. I'm gonna use the Anastasia contour kit, light to medium, and I don't know, I always mix those colors. A little bit, guys, so it's almost invisible. Ta-da! Excited about this part. I really love nude lips. Like, I actually never wear color, even though my boyfriend always says, oh yeah, you should wear red lipstick, but just not for me. So this is the Huda Beauty DEMI Matte in base layer. I really like this color. And you can even mattify it if you put a little bit of baking powder on top. So then you have like the perfect nude matte lipstick. And even like now the consistency is like perfect. So yeah, final step is gonna be my fixer. My favorite one. I could smell it all day. So yeah guys, this is the final look and I hope you guys like it, and if you do then please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on notifications and leave a comment, and yeah, you guys I think you guys know better what to do. And yeah, I think this is my second YouTube video and I'm already a lot more comfortable in filming. So guys, whoever is there struggling like, oh, should I do a YouTube video or not, if you want to do it, try it. Trust me, you get better. Like, this is my second time and I already feel so much more comfortable talking. And yeah guys, like the foundation, I'm so in love with the Huda Beauty foundation. It's like, in the beginning it was like a little bit dry, but now since I've been doing my makeup, I think it's like already like 2 hours. And yeah, it feels amazing, it looks amazing, like it doesn't crease anywhere. Yeah, I love the lipstick. So products are actually really good. And guys, this is not sponsored, nothing. I'm trying to upload as much videos as I can, and yeah, there's gonna be coming a lot, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Well, I don't want to even listen to my voice. Like, I hate hearing my voice on camera, but yeah, we'll see. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.